Hello friends! Welcome to Minecraft! Yay! Do you know what are we gonna draw today? I know! We're gonna draw planet Earth! Yeah! And we are all living on our little planet Earth, and we should protect it and take care of it. And we're gonna use this lovely cookie box. And guys, if you have some bowl or also cookie box which is rounded shape, you can use it. So we're gonna use this cookie box to make a circle shape. Then we're gonna use some color markers, or you can use crayons or maybe color pencils. And we also need one black marker, and I'm gonna use my little rocket marker. So let's get started. So we're gonna use this little cookie box, and we're gonna draw. We can put it in the middle of the paper, and we're gonna draw all around. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna start from here and go and then one more. There we go. Let's see how it turned out. Yeah, we have perfect circle. So we can put aside this yummy cookie box, and we can start drawing. Okay, we're gonna create this little planet Earth smiling. So we're gonna create first a little, actually big mouth. So we're gonna go like this, one curve shape, and then we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, and we've got ourselves a little mouth. And then we're gonna also draw tongue for our planet, and it will go something like that. Okay, then we're gonna make our planet laughing, and it will have closed eyes just like that. And let's do another one on this side. Yeah, look, our little planet is laughing. And now we're gonna draw all around. We're gonna make sea, we're gonna make land, and you can draw all the shapes you want. I'm gonna draw something like this. And then I'm gonna use some more on this side. This is gonna be Europe parts, and maybe this can be Africa. Yeah, super warm continents. Then we have some islands here and here. And then we can go here and draw North America. Just like that, something. And you can draw whatever shape you like, okay? You don't have to draw these continents, but you can learn about those. And it's really interesting to learn about it. This can be South America. Okay, and we can add also some more islands if we want to. I'm gonna put some here and here, and there we go. And we're gonna also add some hearts around it, just like this. One heart, two, and let's add maybe one bigger on this side. 3 hearts. Yay, it's super cute. And now guys, we can go and color our little planet Earth. So I'm gonna use first this light green color, and I'm gonna color all these shapes I have drawn, and maybe we can also leave some parts white, we'll see. I'm gonna color all around. Now I'm gonna leave this white just to see if I can make it more interesting. And this side as well. So we are coloring land, and then later we're gonna color sea and all of the oceans we have. We're gonna draw our beautiful planet Earth, just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of, what's this color? Yeah, light blue. And we're gonna color all around, and maybe we can add actually some clouds. We can draw clouds just like this, just like semicircles. So we draw one semicircle and then just continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can draw it 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and it's really easy to draw clouds. Okay, so we're gonna add some clouds, it's interesting. And yeah, we're gonna color all around those clouds, just like this. And around land. And the top part. Here as well. And you know what? We can also maybe, we're gonna add some waves later, just if I don't forget about that. So we can make this planet really cool and interesting. Okay, let's color the top part. And then we're gonna go down and color the bottom parts. And we have also these ones. And we have a little cloud. We don't want to color that because it needs to be white, just like that. Then we can go down and color this part, and then these ones as well. And around the mouth we're gonna color, and around these clouds. And above, just like that, and here as well. Cool, we have that part completed. Now we're gonna go to this part. And we're gonna go around the clouds. And below. Okay, and now all we need to color is the bottom parts. round and round we go. Okay. And we need to color this small part here, and this, and the bottom. Nice, we're almost done with the C. Cool, and maybe we can color this a little bit more because we have some trees here. Okay, cool guys. And now we're gonna add, what did I want to add? Oh yeah, we're gonna color, let's see, maybe we can color orange down. And then inside of the mouth we can color using reds, just like that. And you can use more colors if you want, so your planet can be really colorful and really happy and funny and cool. Okay, we have our little planet almost done. I'm gonna add some lines here. Maybe that won't be visible, but that's fine. Yeah, I also wanted to add a few lines here to make our planet smile. Nice, just like that. And we're gonna also color these little hearts we have, and I'm gonna leave one part white and color everything else. So we're gonna leave one part white, color around, and this one as well. And there we go, guys. Now we can also use some darker green and color the edges just like this. Maybe we can add some more details just like that, so that can be small trees, something like that. And on this side I'm gonna use, we can add mountains just like that. Here as well I'm gonna add a bit darker green. Cool, that's looking really nice now. And I'm gonna add some more mountains here, and you can actually, yeah. And I'm gonna also use this dark blue to color the bottom, but that's actually too dark, so I'm gonna just use these lines on that part and maybe here as well. Nice, guys, it's looking really cute and really beautiful, and we love our planet, right? And we need to take care of it. I'm gonna also add some lines on the clouds just like this. Okay, and voila, we have finished our little planet Earth, and I hope you guys like it. And we're gonna draw more planets, and we're gonna draw sun and all exciting things. So see you next time, and bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.